Next, we'll be attaching a DC motor to one of the motor headers on our b.Board. The kits come with this type of motor and a wheel, as well as one with a fan attached. Both are hooked up into the b.Board using the same method. Look for this symbol, the ground symbol on the side of your b.Board. Take the black wire from your motor and place it into the slot on the side of this header. We want to tighten it down, but not too much, just enough so that the wire doesn't come out when you pull on it lightly. If you tighten it too much, it may damage the header. We'll do the same for the red wire in the slot for power. And just enough that both wires will not come out of their slot when I put a bit of pressure on it. The next component we'll attach is the servo motor. It hooks up to the bottom of the b.Board here, along these headers at the bottom. We want to make sure that the brown wire is at the top and the orange wire is at the bottom. It then fits in just like so. The b.Board can attach up to 3 servo motors this way. At the top of our motor here, it comes with several attachments that we can use to mount different objects onto our servo. They simply fit on top like so, and if you need it to be more secure, it comes with a small screw that can be secured in the top of the servo